Most of it is lack of certificates of insurance because, especially some states more than others, it's just having people on your job site without insurance, goofing around, using the nail guns like they're machine guns, joking around, or just not the proper protection equipment. That, and another big one that I don't do, I don't pre-sell houses. I only sell a house when it's complete and ready for a realtor to bring customers in, because there's nothing worse than the family of four every weekend going to your job site and checking it out to see your progress. It's muddy. There's stairs that aren't properly put in yet. It's all the makeshift stuff of the beginning of the framing of the house, and they're walking around. There's openings. That's the biggest stage on a pre-sold, but sometimes you just have to do it. But I always just say those certificates of insurance, you cannot have a job site where subs are going there working on your house with all the potential risk of nail guns, roofing, falling off, scaffolding, ladders, and not have someone properly insured. That is the biggest lawsuit any builder faces, is uninsured subs. And that is a big reason why a lot of carriers exclude that from subs, because they want to eliminate that risk. So we have a program, a pretty simple red light, green light, yellow light type of system. It's how I explain it. Green light, your sub's good to go. Red light, they're not good to go. Don't pay them. Easiest way, if you want to get your sub to give you what you need, is say, no problem. When I have that, I'll give you your check. They work a lot faster that way. And yellow light is, hey, it's good now, but it's getting close to its expiring, or whatever it might be. I think a lot of it is a lot of builders, either they're doing this themselves, or they have office staff that maybe doesn't know, or they just don't have a good system to track it. They ask for it. If they ever get it, they don't have it, or they just throw it in a manila envelope in their desk. So our system is an email tracking system where you just give our email, basically, is the short of it. We take, 50, 100, 200 of your subs. They send the certificate into our system. Once that hits our system, we're looking for additional insured status, waiver of subrogation, all the basics you need to have a proper sub. So if something happens, you have it in a electronic vault in our system, let's call it, ready to go. So you have all that stuff. And and let's just use easy round numbers, $1,500. That is not expensive for what you'd have to pay someone on an hourly to track that. It's all in one place, ready to go, with the sub's name listed out, what they have, did they check mark with the basics you need to have a proper certificate? Because we know what your carrier wants on their certificates and subcontractor agreements. So we're mapping that to say, hey, waiver of subrogation, additional insured status, blah, blah, blah. Check, 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 check. Green light, ready to go. Red light is John Siding does not have this properly. Do not pay them. Do not let them on your job until this is fixed. Well, and on that certificate tracking, if you miss 4 or 5 certificates, maybe not as much from the person that cleans up after the job site, like does the quick washing the windows or something like that. You miss that framer certificate of insurance and you get to your audit, which every carrier does, your audit is going to be a lot more than $1,500 for that certificate. You could add $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 to your general liability exposure, and that payment is due within 30 days. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. It's due within 30 days with every insurance carrier. If you don't pay, they will send it to collections. They know what to do. So that audit is huge at the end of the year. That $1,500 you spend will save you tens of thousands over the course of your building career easily, with just tracking everything. It's a must-have.